everyone, Taco coming to you live from day 2 of Token 2049, and we are here at the MEXC booth. They went all out this year because one of the things that they do is they have the lowest fees, and they want to make sure on both the leverage side and on the spot trading side that their community and users know that. I have been a MEXC user for going on 7 years now, and one of the really cool things that I have always loved about it is the leverage side of it, but the paper trading. Learning how to use leverage is one of the hardest things. People think they can just click a button and they're in it, but going and trying it out on a paper trading method is one of the best ways to start on it. So we'll see you here at Token 2049. We'll see you on MEXC, and we will see you
in Singapore.